If you're looking for a nearly new compact SUV that still feels fresh, take a look at this 2025 Chevrolet Equinox LT in blue, sitting here at Bryan's Car Corner with right around 42,000 miles. Under the hood is a fuel-efficient 1.5-liter four-cylinder paired with an automatic transmission, giving you an EPA estimated 26 city and 28 highway miles per gallon. Great for daily commuting around Chickasha. This Equinox also comes loaded with driver assist tech, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a pre-collision warning system with audible, visual, and seat vibration alerts. You'll also find navigation with voice recognition and a touchscreen display, plus LED headlights up front. It's priced at $27,995 plus a $299 dock fee for a final price of $28,294. We work with over 30 banks and credit unions. Stop by Bryan's Car Corner or visit bryanscarcorner.com to schedule your test drive today.